Important, we are saying economic and social, isn't it? Opportunity. Me, I come from a place, and I'm sick about the behavior of that place. A young teacher comes to work in our village. The school is isolated. Beautiful young teacher. She has no access to males of a similar age. What happens? Our old cattlemen end up marrying these young girls. And honestly destroying these teachers. And the male dies, as you know, generally men die quicker. Area dies and leaves a widow, who is a teacher, and she's only 34. And this man was 78 when they married. But by doing what we're just saying, planning, it means a young teacher, female teacher, will be in a community where there are health workers, where there are agricultural workers, where there are judicial workers. She stands a chance of finding a partner in that area.